Do you? I'ma do me.
I'ma do me, do
Y'all
you, do you. I'ma do me, do you, do you. I'ma do me, do you, do you. I'ma do me, do you, do you. Podcast with real topics, brain food, you can get it here. I'ma do me, do you, do you. I'ma do me, do you, do you. Do you, I'ma do me. What's going on, family? Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself. Do you, do you, do you. Yeah. And this topic right here, giving love to the world. We're gonna give love to the world. I'm grateful for Mother Earth. I'm grateful for the sun. I'm grateful for the moon. I'm grateful for the stars. I'm grateful for the trees. I'm grateful for the beautiful plant life. I'm grateful for the earth. I'm grateful for the ocean. I'm grateful for the mountains. I'm grateful for the rain. I'm grateful for the cold. I'm grateful for the heat. I'm grateful for Mother Earth. I send love to Mother Earth. I send love to the universe. I love the sun. I love the moon. I love the clouds. I love the stars. I love the sound of raindrops. I love the beaches. I love the sight, see Mother Earth. I love the walk in nature. I love the exercise in nature. Because Mother Nature makes me feel so good. And I'm grateful for Mother Nature. And I don't want to lose Mother Nature. And I don't want to lose the world. I love the oceans. I love the mountains. I love when Mother Nature makes it snow, where I can go and make a snowman and a snow woman. This is sending love to the world. I'm sending love to the world. And if you watching this video, you helping send love to Mother Earth and love to the world. Grateful for all the beautiful flowers. Grateful for the animal life. Grateful for the sea life. Grateful for the sky life. Grateful for the night life. I love Mother Nature, 'cause Mother Nature is our home. And Mother Nature say we don't need no medicine. Mother Nature say all you gotta do is get out in nature a little bit more. Mother Nature say you need to love yourself a little bit more. Mother Nature say you need to love one another a little bit more. We sending positive love to Mother Nature. We grateful for Mother Nature. And be grateful for Mother Nature. It's our home. Mother Nature. This is positive love to Mother Nature. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself. Do you, do you, do you. Do you. I'ma do me. Podcast with real topics, brain food, you can get it here. I'ma do me, do you, I'ma do me, do you.